Welcome to Learn English by Listening. I'm so happy you're here. This channel helps you learn English by listening to simple stories in slow and clear English. Today, I will tell you a love story. It's a gentle story. It's about two people who meet in an unexpected place. This story is called Love on the Train. Let's begin. Vocabulary preview. Listen and repeat. Train, seat, window, rain, stranger, smile, ticket, read, coffee, eyes, accident, lost, remember, wait, hope, goodbye, the story, love on the train. It is a rainy Thursday morning. The sky is gray. The streets are wet. Emma walks to the train station with her umbrella. She wears a green coat and carries a small bag. She takes the same train every morning. She likes the window seat. Emma gets on the train and finds her favorite seat. She opens her book and starts reading. The train moves slowly. Outside Zatulnis, the city passes by. At the next stop, a man gets on the train. He looks for a seat. The train is full. Only one seat is free, the one next to Emma. He walks toward her. He smiles and asks, "Is this seat free?" Emma nods. He sits down. For a few minutes, they ride in silence. Emma continues reading, but she feels something, a small feeling, a kind energy. The man takes out a notebook. He writes something. He sips his coffee and looks out the window. Suddenly, the train stops quickly. The lights flicker. Emma's book falls. So does his coffee. They both laugh a little. Emma says, "That was unexpected." He nods and says, "Yes, a little morning adventure." They start to talk. His name is Daniel. He works at a museum. Emma tells him she teaches art at a school. The conversation is easy. It flows like the train. They talk about books, travel, food, favorite cities. The train ride feels short, but time passes. The speaker announces the next stop. It's Emma's station. She must leave. She looks at Daniel. He looks at her. Neither wants to say goodbye. Emma stands up. She smiles and says, "Nice to meet you." Daniel smiles back. "Nice to meet you too." The train doors open. Emma steps off. The doors close. The train moves. She watches it leave. Then she looks down at her bag. There's something inside. She opens it. It's a small piece of paper. It says, "I hope we meet again. Same train, same time, next Thursday. Daniel." Emma smiles. Her heart is warm. 1 week later, it's Thursday again. The rain is back. Emma wears the same green coat. She walks to the train station. She doesn't know if he will be there, but she hopes. She steps onto the train. Her favorite seat is empty. She waits. The train doors stay open for a few more seconds, and then Daniel walks in. He is holding 2 coffees, one for him, one for her. He smiles. Hi. Emma smiles too. Hi. They sit together. The train moves. So does the story of 2 strangers becoming something more. Phrase practice. Listen and repeat. She takes the train. She finds a window seat. He asks, "Is this seat free?" She nods. The train stops suddenly. They talk about books. They talk about travel. She leaves the train. He leaves a note. They meet again. Comprehension questions. Answer in your mind. What is the weather like? It is rainy. Where does Emma sit? At the window seat. Who sits next to her? Daniel. What happens on the train? It stops quickly and they start talking. What does Emma do for work? She is an art teacher. What does Daniel do? He works at a museum. Does Emma want to say goodbye? No, but she must leave the train. What does she find in her bag? A note from Daniel. What does the note say? I hope we meet again. Same train, same time. Next Thursday. Does she see him again? Yes, 1 week later. What does he bring? 2 coffees. You did it. You listened to a full love story in slow and simple English. You learned new vocabulary and phrases in context. You practiced listening, repetition, and understanding, all in one lesson. Stories help us feel, and when we feel, we remember. That's how language becomes real. Thank you for learning English with me. Subscribe to this channel for more love stories, mystery stories, and daily conversations, all in slow and clear English. See you in the next episode.